Congratulations, John. Going to Cars of Dreams in Florida.
Here's lot number 1069.1. Specialist update on the 1970 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. Ford 28 SCJ. Now, this SCJ, the 4-speed, is only one of the 3 Black Eliminators that were ever built. Ladies and gentlemen, factory equipped with a 428 Super Cobra-Jet Ram air engine.
And how did about 300,000? How did how did get 3,200? How did now 25? How did now 25? Now 25 at 150. How did now 25? How did now 50? I'm at 25, 50, 75. You're out. You didn't make it. I'm at 75 at 100. I'm at 75 at 100. 125. I'm at 125, got it a bit here. I'm at 125. 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 I'm at 50. I'm at 150. I'm at 25. I'll take 35. I'm at 135, 45. I'm at 135. I'm at 145. I'm at 145. I'm at 145. I'm at 145. Down 50. I'm at 150,000. I'm at about to get 50. I'm at 150, 150, 150. I'm at 150 on the phone. I'm at 50. Now 5. Now 60. I'm at 160. I'm at now 60 down. I'm at about to get 160. I'm at 160, 160. 160, 170, I'm at now 180, I'm at 180 down, I'm at a body, get 80, I'm at 170 down, I'm at a body 80, I'm at 80, all in, gotta go, I'm at 80 down, I'm at 80, 90, I'm at 180 down, 90, 90, might as well be 200, I'm at now 2, I'm at now 2, 2, 2, I'm at 200 down, I'm at now 2, down, I'm at about 2, I'm at 110 to get 2, I'm at now 2, everybody done here, I'm at 200 and high, I'm at now 200, I'm at now 225, anybody to get 210, I'm at now 210, hammers high, I'm at now 210, I'm at now 2 to get 10, 10, I'm at now rods in and 10 to get 210 and high. Sold it, $200,000. Put your hands together, Scottsdale. $200,000 up.